Vegetables. Vegetables are important source of many nutrients including potassium, fiber, folic acid, vitamin A and C. Eating vegetables provides healthy benefits. People who eat more vegetables as part of an overall healthy diet are likely to have a reduced risk of some chronic diseases. Vegetables provide nutrients for health and maintain our body fit and healthy. Let's sing one poem on vegetable. Vegetables are good for me. Vegetables are good for me. And so I eat them happily. And so I eat them happily. For my lunch and in my dinner. For my lunch and in my dinner. To make me strong and winner. To make me strong and winner. They give me nutrients and vitamins. They give me nutrients and vitamins. And keep me away from medicines. And keep me away from medicines. They give me lots of energy. They give me lots of energy. To run, walk and be healthy. To run, walk and be healthy. Vegetables are good for me. Vegetables are good for me. And so I eat them happily. And so I eat them happily. Oh, really? Vegetables are very important in our lives. So, daily eat vegetables. See this chart of vegetables. Onion, potato, tomato, cucumber, ladyfinger, chili, beetroot, carrot, mushroom, cabbage, capsicum, cauliflower, peas, brinjal, corn, pumpkin. All these are the vegetables and you have to eat daily. Vegetables. Vegetables are the leaves, stem, roots and other parts of certain plants that people eat. Vegetables usually come from herbaceous plant. Herbaceous plants have stems that are softer than the woody stem of bushes and trees. Uses of vegetables. People also eat baked, boiled, fried, steamed and grilled vegetables. They often add vegetables to soup, stews and casseroles. Most fresh vegetables spoil quickly, but they can be canned or frozen for later use. Flower vegetables. See this picture? Broccoli, cauliflower and artichokes are flowers. Root vegetables. Root vegetables grow underground. They absorb a great amount of nutrients from the soil. These include carrot, beets, turnips, radishes and sweet potatoes. These are the root vegetables. Stem vegetables. Asparagus and kohlrabi are stem vegetables. Uses of vegetables. Vegetables are an important part of a healthy diet. They contain water, vitamins, mineral and fiber. People eat many fresh vegetables raw. They drink the juice of some raw vegetable, especially carrots. Now these are the activities. Pick the vegetables and place in the basket. Here are two baskets. One basket is leafy vegetable basket and second the other one is root vegetable basket. First example is given here. Lettuce, that is the leafy vegetable, and we put that lettuce in leafy vegetable basket. Like that we have to do others also. Here are some leafy vegetable and root vegetable. Spinach, carrot, beetroot, sweet potato and cabbage is here. So we have to differentiate that leafy vegetable and root vegetable. Answer is given here. Leafy vegetables are spinach, beetroot, cabbage, lettuce, and root vegetable carrot, sweet potato and turnip. These are the root vegetables. Now second exercise, word search. This is the maze given here. We have to find out vegetables name in this maze. Carrot, onion, potato, pumpkin, broccoli. This is the answer. Spinach, cabbage. Write 5 vegetables you like it. You have to write your favorite vegetables here. These are my favorite vegetables. Brinjal, ladyfinger, pumpkin, potato and broccoli. These are my favorite vegetables. Where does it grow? See the picture and you have to identify where it grows. See the first picture. First picture is potato. Second, asparagus. Third, sweet potato. Fourth, carrot. Fifth, spinach. And last, beetroot. Now we have to find out the answers. Potato. Potato grows underground. Asparagus. Over the ground. Sweet potato. Underground. Carrot. Underground. Spinach. Over the ground. Beetroot. Underground. Now next activity. Who am I? I am big and round. I am seated on the ground. I am orange in color. Who am I? Identify. Second, I am round and small. I am white in color. I will make you cry. I am used in many dishes. Who am I? Identify. Now answer key. First, I am big and round. I am seated on the ground. I am orange in color. Who am I? I am a pumpkin. Second, I am round and small. I am white in color. I will make you cry. I am used in many dishes. Who am I? Onion. Onion may be white, may be red also. Okay? Now next activity, color and name the vegetables. Here are two vegetables. You have to draw and color it and label it. Next activity, circle the vegetables at your home. Whatever vegetable you have to circle it. After completing the chapter vegetable, now this is riddle for you. You have to find out the answer. Potatoes with carrots or mushroom soup, green peas and pepper and broccoli too. How about tomato in his shiny red suit? Is he a vegetable or is he a fruit? Is he a vegetable or is he a fruit? You have to find out tomato is a vegetable or a fruit. Come on fast. You have to tell me the answer. Tomato is vegetable or fruit. Hope you understand chapter vegetable, so you easily able to find out tomato is vegetable or fruit. Hope you find out the answer. Yes, tomato is a vegetable. It is in red color. It is also used as a salad and it is healthy for our body. Thank you. Bye bye. Like, share, subscribe and also press the bell icon to get notification of my new videos. Thank you. Bye bye.